Guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can watch videos offline on TikTok. So this is a great option to turn on if you are traveling and don't have access to Wi-Fi, for example. So start by going to your profile at the bottom right corner, and now up in the top right corner click on the hamburger menu, so the three stripes here, and now click settings and privacy. From here you need to scroll down where it says cache and cellular. And now you can see the first option says offline videos. Click. And here you can download videos to watch offline. Be aware that this does take space up on your phone, but you can see it takes for 50 videos 27 megabyte, 100 videos 70 megabyte, 150, 100 megabytes, 200 videos, 150 megabytes. So if you want a lot of scrolling time, simply click 200 and then you click download. And now, as you can see at the bottom, it's downloading the videos and it shows how many unwatched videos I have out of the 200 I'm downloading. And that's how you can simply download offline videos that you can watch while you're traveling or you don't have internet access.